Bring it back.
Where were you, Fallen? There's this book about a war in October, and I really need you guys to come look at it. Are you kidding me? That's the worst excuse I've ever heard. It's not an excuse, and you're just too dumb. I didn't mean to say that. Get out now, Fallen. Why did I say that? Okay, this is what you want at the Stark. Okay. I see. Aren't the stars beautiful? Wait a second. Are those 3 moons? I don't know if that's from the October thing, but let me recap you on the story. Long ago, when wolves and humans ruled together, it was all so peaceful, but then the humans attacked us because they were too scared of us. So the wolves created something really, really scary. Interesting. It's her book. Wait till the boss hears about this one.